What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So apparently NBA YoungBoy just dropped a new mixtape called Until I Return, and there's some pretty fire tracks on there, so we're gonna make a beat for that mixtape. Let's jump right into this. Alright, so for this beat we're gonna be using a guitar. I just got this plugin, the Evolution Jazz Archtop by Orange Tree, and it's pretty fire, so we're gonna mess around and get a good guitar melody going here, and we're gonna be at 136 BPM. Alright guys, so since I drew this all out by hand, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to move all these notes to be different lengths and different velocities, and we're going to make this more humanistic. Do the best that we can. Alright, now let's put some effects on this guitar. Alright, so I decided to go with more of like a pluck sound, so I took all those chords and I just made it very plucky. I spaced out each one individually, so it sounds like that now. And we're going to add some reverb to this as well. push it up. Alright guys, so that's how you can make a beat from the new mixtape by NBA YoungBoy called Until I Return. Hope you guys liked that one. Smash the like button if you did. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, bro, because we're uploading daily videos and you're not going to want to miss out on them. But besides that, I'll be catching you guys again in the next one. Peace out, fam.